Bank is in focus. It reported a weak set of Q1 numbers as the asset quality has deteriorated, but the stock has surged nearly 30% in the last 1 month. S Krishnan, the MD and CEO at Tamilnad Mercantile Bank, joins us now to talk about that. Mr. Krishnan, thanks a lot for joining us. There is a little bit of deterioration in your asset quality. Gross NPAs are now almost at 1.6% compared to, I think, 1.39% last quarter. Do you think this pressure is something that, that is expected to continue in the quarters to come? And how do you think you'll end the year in terms of gross NPAs?
See, I don't think that the pressure will continue. It was one-off, I can say. If you look into the overall, the asset quality, it is 1.56 of gross NPA with a net NPA of 0.66. In fact, when I look into the additional cushion what I have under the name pretext of the COVID, I have created a buffer of around 300 crore as additional reserve over and above what is required as per the IRAC norms. So I can very well take it as a zero net NPA now itself if I take that down. Now going forward, I expect that my NPA will be, net NPA will be below 1%. That is what I have given the guidance to the street, and we will be able to maintain that. Having said, we always give a conservative guidance. We always say less and deliver more. That is what the principle we follow. So hence, the NPA will be almost at this level. I don't expect a surge. Rather, I expect a better improvement.
Okay. Mr. Krishnan, talking about, so you're maintaining your guidance which you had given on your gross NPA, which will be below 2% for the fiscal and below 1% when it comes to the net NPA. But as far as the net interest margin is concerned, you said that you will be around 4%, and that's what you achieved in the quarter gone by. Is there any scope for improvement? Yes. Are you sticking by that 4%?
See, I stick to 4% as the guidance, but I expect that the actuals is expected to be better.
Okay, so by how many basis points? A range if you could share.
See, it may be around 4 to 4.25.
Okay, 4 to 4.25. Got that. Can you tell us what are you looking at in terms of growth? What could the advances growth be like in the next 1 year? And overall, I mean, loan growth, what kind of sustainable loan growth are you looking at in the next couple of years?
See, I expect a growth of around 15% for this year. That is what the guidance I had given. I had given as 12 to 15%, which we will be able to show. And my RAM segment today is 90%. We will continue to focus on the RAM segment. I expect that in the years to come, probably we have taken a lot of initiative now on the transformation. We have taken a business process re-engineering, and as a phase 1, we have taken up for the MSME. We have also onboarded a knowledge partner for that, and very recently we have entered into an MOU with one of the leading digital lending platform, which will enable me to have a smooth digital journey for my customer. We have also created a MSME hubs at different places, which will enable me to improve my MSME. We also concentrate on ensuring the underwriting standards, which the digital lending platform where the algorithms will be built by us, where the logics will be put by us. There will be a uniformity in underwriting, which will enable the enhancement in the underwriting standards across all the outlets. There will be a uniformity. So with these things, I expect that in the years to come, we will have a good growth of the advances, which will be above the industry average. This year, we will be maintaining guidance of what we gave as 15%.
Okay. Just coming to the MSME segment, in the previous quarter, there was a bit of sluggishness in the MSME segment loan growth, if I'm not mistaken. Has that been ironed out? Yeah. And can you give us a sense in terms of how much is it growing at as compared to the previous quarter? Why is there sluggishness which is coming, and in which segments within MSME?
The sluggishness, it was flat. I do agree, almost as well as flat in the last quarter. Normally, the first quarter, the banks, more particularly, I can talk of my bank, the business growth will be little sluggishness because of various reasons like dislocations of the people. That is the quarter where there will be transfers across the country and they need to settle down. So normally the first quarter will be little sluggish compared to the other quarters. So that is how it has happened. I expect that from this quarter onwards, it will start improving and we will be able to achieve the guidance of what we gave to the street.
Okay, all right, Mr. Krishnan, we'll let you go on that note. Thanks a lot for joining us and talking about the bank. That's Tamilnad Mercantile Bank with a quick update on their business and the way forward. They're looking at focusing on the RAM segment and they're looking also 15% loan growth as well. Let's slip into a quick break on the other side.